You are manifesting all the time. It's a popular question, and am I manifesting sometimes, or I only manifest at sometime I just live my life? All these are not correct. It's all myth. People think, oh, manifesting something I do sometime, manifesting something I do later. No, I'm not doing that. Or something I have to change myself and manifest later. All these are incorrect. We are always manifesting. It's like go to the mirror, right? The mirror is always reflecting. You cannot tell the mirror, I'm not seeing the mirror, so I'm not watching the reflection. Maybe you're not watching it, but the mirror is always reflecting back to you. The real fact is that, again, remove the thought, manifesting is not something you do later or you do sometime. It is not like you enter into at some point in your life. Nothing like that. All these are incorrect. The real truth is we are, you and I, everybody is manifesting all the time. The only question is, are you conscious or unconsciously manifesting? Are you manifesting clearly with the direction and what you want to do, or are you just simply manifesting based on your state? You're fluctuating all the time. It's almost like, hey, are you driving your car towards the destination, or are you just simply driving? Or you simply enter this, you're not looking at the state. What exactly are you feeling, your thoughts? You're not paying attention to your thoughts and your words. We're just fluctuating all over the map. And guess what? That's the direction we give to the world, right? That's what you tell the world, and the world is going to keep on reflecting back. So your state of being is the most important. Let's take a step back and understand this. How does the universe work, right? The universe is a giant mirror with a time lag. The universe mirrors you. You in the sense is not you physically, is you inner you. That's why we say, right? You don't get what you want, you get what you are. The R means your state of being. Your state of being is basically what you think, your thoughts, what you say, your words, what you act, your actions. This is the primary thing you know of: thoughts, words, and actions. But below that is your belief system. What do you believe in? Your belief system drives your thoughts, words, and actions. All of them, all four, control your fifth item, your feelings and emotions. And together, your thoughts, words, actions, controlled by your belief, all of them define your vibration, your feeling, and your emotions. This is what your state of being. Your state of being gets reflected. So without unconsciously, you do something, you think about something, you worry something, you believe you can't get it. Guess what? That's the vibration you're giving. You're saying, I can't get it, I don't have it, I lack it. Universe does not contradict. Universe is faithful mirror. And keep that in mind. Universe is a very 100% precise, faithful mirror with a time lag. Whatever state you are, it'll reflect. You will see in the world the same thing. Events will match your state externally. Means that in a time lag, let's say you are in a state, it will reflect back to you maybe in a couple of hours, maybe in a couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months. Doesn't matter. It is going to reflect back to you. So watch your thoughts, watch your state, watch your action. That's how you tell the universe who you are, what do you think you are. And if you consciously, you have a choice. So rule number one is you're always manifesting. Always means knowingly or unknowingly. It means that your state is getting reflected back. You're communicating, you're vibrating, you're sharing your who you are, your vibration to the universe. Universe keeps mirroring back. You don't even understand, you don't even see this thing all the time. But I need you to be a conscious, a deliberate manifester, a conscious manifester, and a deliberate creator. Some of us unknowingly create what we don't want. For example, you say you want money, which is a common thing. You keep thinking about, I don't have money, I wish I have money, I lack money. You're always in the state of lack or thinking about having it. That's your state. Your thoughts are saying you don't have money. Your words are saying you don't have money. Your actions are, I'm very poor, I want to conserve, I don't have money. So all these clearly tells the world, universe, who you are. And your belief is that I can't have the money, I don't deserve the money. And your feeling is vibrations are low because you're down state. That is the state we are in. Universe will faithfully reflect back to you saying, I see, I don't contradict. Whoever you are, I'll give it to you. Now I'll match the universe to match you. That means you will see everywhere you don't have money. Everywhere, all the problems will reflect back to you. Yes, you don't have money. Yes, you lack money. That's the state you are. I'll reflect back to you. But if you move from there into another state that, no, I have the money, at least believe that you have money, and I feel good. I'm going to, if you can't believe, at least say this. At least money is coming to me. If you cannot say, I already have the money, just say, hey, I'm deserving of money. I'm going to get the money. I will be fine tomorrow. At least say it that way. Think that way. I'm going to be fine. Money is coming. I'm going to be wealthy tomorrow. That's still better than saying, I don't have money. I don't have money. I lack money. I'm poor. That's the worst state you can be in. The best is, imagine, hey, I am wealthy, I'm rich, or I have the money. The next best is, I am getting rich, money is coming to me, I'll be fine tomorrow. That's also okay. That's not as good as feeling having it. My point is really this. You are always manifesting whatever you are, consciously, unconsciously. Abraham Hicks talks about the art of deliberate creation. Unconscious creation means unconsciously we're creating all the events in the world. We're wondering why this happened. But if you reflect back your thoughts, inner state, it'll completely match. It'll match who you are, your thoughts, your words, and your state will identically match your manifesting world sooner or later. They're all aligned together. And without knowing, you're manifesting. So let's flip that into conscious manifesting, purposeful, deliberate creation. You're a creator. You're creating your life. Let's deliberately, purposefully create what you want. The only question is what the hell are we creating? As opposed, let's flip ourselves. What the heaven we want to create, right? Without knowing we're creating what the hell we are creating, and let's flip that, as they say, into what the heaven you want to create. And by just simply changing your state, be in the state of your wishes fulfilled. Be in a state of who you want to be. Go from the problem state to the solution state. The solution exists like who you are, that visualization. I have the partner, I have the money, I have the job, I have the health. How will you think and be and act and say and feel? Be that. That's the state you need to be in. If you are in that state, you will manifest that. Otherwise, you're manifesting this. I don't have it. I have a problem. My health is not good. I don't have the money. I'm not good enough. If you're in this state, you will keep manifesting the same state all the time. So in summary, you are manifesting all the time, like it or not. The only question is, what the hell are we manifesting? I think let's flip that into what the heaven we want to manifest instead of what the hell. And by consciously being aware of your words, your thoughts, your actions, your belief system, you can flip into unconscious manifesting into a conscious manifesting. Unknowing creators into a deliberate creation, as Abraham Hicks says. And as Bashar says, feel it, see it, feel it, and believe it. Be that, and you consciously will manifest there. Hope you liked it. I have more on this video. I'm 𝐰𝐰𝐰. I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel. I have a lot of videos on this. I have a free masterclass you can join. I have a free ebook I will share with you. Sign up on spiritualuniversity.org. The link is on the description. And if you like it, please like, subscribe, and share. We'll spread the word. I will help you to be a conscious manifester. Manifest deliberately what you want, but don't manifest unknowingly, unconsciously what you don't want. That's what we end up doing all the time. I want to flip that. I want to help you flip that. You create your life. You can be the creator of your life, and you can get whatever you want by being very consciously manifesting what you want and not being unconscious manifester. I will see you in the next video. Click on this more and more on this channel. Happy manifesting. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.